In 2026, industrial competitiveness will be defined by AI, the India opportunity, and sustainable growth. Hi, this is Natarajan from Industrial Goods, and this is 2026 in 60. AI is no longer experimental. Leading manufacturers are seeing 10 to 20% productivity gains and reduction in downtime through AI-driven planning, predictive maintenance, and smart factories. The real gap is in technology. Its scale. Winners are embedding AI across plants, not running pilots. Global supply chains are being rewired, and India is at the center. Manufacturing in India is set to grow to 25% of GDP, powered by Make in India and a workforce of 500 plus million. For global players, India is becoming a global manufacturing, export, and innovation hub. Sustainability is now a source of competitive advantage, not compliance. It can unlock 15 to 25% cost savings while strengthening supply chain resilience. The next growth frontier is clean and resilient, with a real impact on bottom line. 2026 will be the year industrial leaders win by combining AI-led execution, India-powered scale, and sustainable growth.